Myntri tnad Public Health Engineering Marcuise marak uong ba Shong Katkum ki Jait Kam bakila ban ailad iki kontraktor naka Jylla ban pyntrei yaga New Shillong Water Supply Scheme kumba la kdew daw MLA ka Mawryngkneng ba HS kharpran hakamat iatai Ïing dorbar hakani ka sngi Baar Kham shwa kane uba kharpran ula wanrah ka jingpynsngew jong ka wei keseng bhalang ka badawa bade ban ailad yaki kontraktor naka Jylla ban yo kamlang haka Jingpyntrei yaga te ka project ba 6,000 paklur tengka.
Now we come to item number 3, the call attention notice. Sri Havingstone Kharpran MLA to call the attention of the Minister in charge, Public Health Engineering, under Rule 54(1) of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business to the news item published in Nongsain Hima, dated 28 July 2024 under the caption Dawa ka HYC ban ai kam yaki kontraktor trai rina ka benta ka NSWSS si hajar hundrius pa klur. Sri Havingstone Kharpran, MLA, please.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Allow me time to call the attention of the Minister in charge of Public Health Engineering under Rule 54(1) of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business to the news item published in Nongsain Hima, dated 28 July 2024. With the caption, Dawa ke HYC, Naikam kontraktor tadi, na kontak New Shillong Water Supply Scheme, Shejan Uspakur. So thank you so much. Today I rise to address an issue that is crucial for our community through the New Shillong Water Supply Scheme. So this project has been garnered significantly in the news. However, this project to truly succeed, it is important that we address some key concerns as raised by this NGO, New Trap Youth Council. Sir, as an elected representative of the New Shillong area, which falls under my constituency, I am aware of the challenges we face regarding the water scarcity and also an access to clean and reliable water. Sir, as we know that water is the fundamental resource out of 3 vital natural resources, namely soil, water, and vegetation. Water is the most precious, the most vital natural resource. So there is saying, water is life, life is water. Sir, I would like to thank and congratulate the Honorable Chief Minister and his government for bringing this project to my constituency, that's the New Shillong area, township. So this New Shillong Water Supply Scheme is really the beacon of hope for our people, promising to reduce the water problem in our area. So I would like to share a few concerns before the Honorable Minister in charge of PG. First thing is that regarding the total sanction amount as appeared in the newspaper, 1,600 crores. So if the Minister can give the breakups of this total amount across various components, that will be better because people want to know. And that is very important to keep the breakups of this total sanction amount. And I would also like to know that out of 1,600 crores, how much amount has been released? What are those components? That also people want to know. And to ensure the transparency, we should know also who is the implementing agency. Secondly, sir, I would like to also share that regarding this infrastructure in this water source, that's the one can near the Nonghani village. So I have visited the site, but I found that many things are lacking, like the road connectivity I have not seen that there is road connectivity to the site. I don't know when it will take up. And even repairing of existing road also still lacking. So I urge the concerned authority to take immediate action to address these issues. Thirdly, sir, regarding this biosecurity and sustainability of Mawryngkneng River. You see, Mawryngkneng River serves as a lifeline for many villages in my area. So I need to draw the attention of the government that while implementing this project, that to take care of the environment's protection of natural resources, as I've mentioned, the soil, vegetation beside water. Please see that cleanliness is maintained at any cost. If need be, that I urge the government or the department concerned that to take up even tree plantation in some blank patches, I mean those areas where there are no trees, to ensure the long-term sustainability of the project. I would like to know how many villages covered this project, how long this project will take time to complete. That's a project period. So one thing, since it is the state-funded project, I urge the government to consider the involvement of the local contractors while implementing this project. There must be some components in which our local contractors can take up. So it is not just a matter of economic opportunity, but it is also for employment. Since nowadays, in view of the growing unemployment problem, this is one of the things that we can do something for our local contractors. So it is also a matter of trust and community empowerment. By doing so, sir, we ensure that whatever the economic benefit from this investment can be retained in our community and our state. So by doing so, sir, there will be sense of ownership, sense of belonging, and sense of responsibility. So for long-term success of new Shillong Spice Scheme, I think it requires a comprehensive plan for monitoring. There should be a monitoring committee. The monitoring should be conducted regularly for the smooth and effective implementation of the project. So there should devise also a plan for proper maintenance, operation, and also management of the assets to be created. Lastly, sir, new Shillong Spice Scheme holds great promise, especially for our area, and let us embrace this opportunity with a vision that includes local employment, environmental stewardship, and also for proper management. This is my submission, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Minister in charge to reply, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I'm very pleased that Sri Shong Katkum raised these pertinent questions on the news item that appeared in Nongsang Hima, dated 28/7/2024, under the caption, Dawaka HYC ban Jait Kam, Yaki contractor, Tri Naka Banta Ka, NSWSS 1600 Plur. Under this rule 54(1), during the autumn session of Meghalaya Legislative Assembly 2024. Sir, in response to the question, I am pleased to inform the August House that the new Shillong Water Supply Scheme Phase 1 was accorded administrative approval by letter number PHED/1356/1503/2024/4215/05 dated 15/3/2024 for an amount of 538.44 crores under the state plan. The EPC contract was awarded to MS BSC Infratech Private Limited on 26 June 2024, and the project is in initial stages of implementation. Description: New Shillong Water Supply Scheme Phase 1, amount 538.44 crores. Status: work awarded and the project is in the initial stages of implementation. New Shillong Water Supply Scheme Phase 2, anticipated amount 1,111.56 crore, status yet to be sanctioned. Work under Phase 1 of the project. The Phase 1 of the project envisages construction of major components, that is, construction of dam, construction of 2 numbers of jack well with a pump house on top of the well to house the machineries and associated equipments, construction of Stage 1 and Stage 2 pumping system, power stations, pumping main, construction of water treatment plant, clear water sump, etc., and apartment works. Scope of work. The contract for the work, construction of water supplies system for New Shillong Township Phase 1 is an EPC, that is engineering, procurement and construction. Contract where the scope of work comprises of survey, investigation, design, procuring materials and equipments, construction, installation and execution of entire water supply system. The scope of the contract includes operation and maintenance of the project for a period of 2 years over and above the defect liability period of 1 year. Construction of dam in the bed of river Mawryngkneng, raw water sump house / jack well to pump 70 mld ultimate demand including supply and erection of pumps within bracket for 33 mld substation etc. For 33 mld supply and laying MS raw water rising main pipeline from pump house to low water sump at Stage 1 within bracket near village Mawryngkneng and Jylla. Construction of sump at Stage 1, construction pump house at Stage 1 including supply and erection of pumps, motors, substations, etc. At Stage 1, supply and laying of MS raw water raising main from Stage 1 pump house to WTP location within bracket near village Brihe Mawryngkneng. Construction of 33 MLD water treatment plant for prospective demand, construction of clear water sump, installation of SCADA system, automation of total system using IoT including civil, mechanical, electrical works for drawal of 70/33 MLD of water throughout the year from river Mawryngkneng near village Nongali Nongro. In order to provide the most modern and efficient process of operation and monitoring of entire project, all components under Phase 1 of the project shall be installed with SCADA, that is Supervisory Control Data Acquisition and /IoT Internet of Things system. SCADA control system shall be established from the source point to water treatment plant with LAN, local area network. Compatibility and remote capturing of data with network. Automation of total system in command control room shall also be established. The contractor shall also incorporate the SCADA process for pressure and leakage monitoring in pipe system. Hence, the entire project shall be governed by SCADA/IoT systems, which will, in general, is an automatically mechanized system that controls all the components at the central location, in which operation and monitoring of the entire system is being done. This system is extremely important for future operation and maintenance of the scheme. It will help to immediately identify defects, breakdowns, water flow, water quantity, water quality, etc. And it will also be beneficial to take up remedial measures promptly and instantly. Therefore, the various components under Phase 1 of the project cannot be bifurcated, and it is not at all feasible to allot the work components to multiple firms, contractors, keeping in mind the sophistication involved and the specialized nature of the work, involving installation of SCADA, that is IoT, system. The firm entrusted with the work shall have to be very capable, experienced, technically competent, highly acquainted with large projects involving SCADA/IoT system. Work under phase 2 of the project. The phase 2 of the project is yet to receive sanction. The phase 2 envisages laying of clear water pumping main, clear water gravity main, construction of clear water reservoirs, and laying of distribution systems, including appurtenant works. The new Shillong water supply project has been so designed for total integration of the whole system of both phase 1 and phase 2. Therefore, the phase 2 of the project, which is an extension of phase 1, shall also have automation control and SCADA, that is /IoT systems. Smart metering has been proposed for the distribution network and reservoirs for incoming and outgoing flow data, and smart billing has also been proposed using automation systems by gathering data into one platform, that is the command control room, for accurate, up-to-date reports. Hence, significant technicalities shall also be involved in the implementation of phase 2 of the project. Under phase 2, for effective central control of the operation and monitoring of the entire integrated system driven by SCADA/IoT systems, the execution has to be under an EPC contract so that even last mile issues are resolved comprehensively. Failing which, the efficacy of water supply would be severely compromised, and accountability that should be there for such a gargantuan project from the start to end user would be missing, thereby defeating the purpose of such a construction meant to supply a vital source to a new center of governance for the state. So, as has been mentioned by Honorable Member, he wants to know whether the amount has been released from the first phase. So, no amount has been released so far, but the work of this construction has already started. So, with these few words, I resume myself. Thank you.
Honorable MLA who had brought the call attention, you may seek one clarification, please.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I would also like to thank Mr. Jingpyntrei. Only one thing I would like to ask Mr. if you can assure that those components in which our local contractors can take up the works, please consider. That's my request.
Yes.
Sir, I have already mentioned here that considering the kind of technical expertise that is required in these constructions, we are going for the companies that is very experienced in this matter. However, those companies which can be considered, we are looking into the matter.